In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a stand in Please Donate. Start by finding an unclaimed booth. It will say Unclaimed at the bottom. Hold down E on your keyboard or press and hold down on the button shown on your screen. Once you have claimed the booth, the button will then say Edit. Click and hold down on the button again to open the stand options. Select Booth. Here you can change what your booth looks like. However, this requires you to have been donated Robux. Click the cross to go back, then select the text option. Select the text box, then input your text. This is what will be shown at the top of your stand. Press Enter to confirm your text. Then click the cross to go back. Adjust the font color, and any other settings to make your stand look how you want it. If your stand is blank, then go to your account privacy settings on the app or website and set the Who Can Text Chat With Me option to Everyone. Now we need to create donation options for our stand. Go to the Roblox website and sign in. Select Create from the top and you should be redirected to the Creator Hub. If you aren't, then go back and select Create again. Alternatively, type create.roblox.com into your address bar and hit Enter. Select Creations from the side panel, then select an experience. You can create a new one or just use the default one here. Go to the side panel and find the Monetization heading. Then select Passes from just below. Click the Create a Pass button. If you want to change the Game Pass image, then click the Change button and select an image to upload. However, images don't matter for setting up a stand in Please Donate. Select the name box and give your Game Pass a name. This can be anything, but I typically just go with Game Pass or the donation amount. Add a description if you like, then click the Create Pass button. Select your Game Pass to open the settings. Then head to the side and select Sales. Turn on the Item for Sale option to make the Game Pass show up in Please Donate. Then set the price. Your set price is the donation amount that will be seen on your stand. Click Save Changes when done, then go back to the Passes page. Repeat the process to create a Game Pass for each donation amount you want to be available in your Please Donate stand. I have set up a Game Pass for 5, 10, 25, 50, and 100. Now head to the side and select Settings. Go to the Privacy setting and set it to Public. Then click the Save Changes button. Head back to Please Donate and claim a stand. Your stand will now have donation options that people can use to donate to you. You now know how to make a stand in Roblox. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.